Hello everyone, Robert Saunders here, and today I wanted to do a demo. A lot of people have asked about this. What does it mean to do a node restore inside the Dell Automation Platform and the Dell Automation Platform Orchestrator? Well, let's get started and let's explain it. So here I am at the Dell Automation Platform, and I see this node here, the 80P7X74. As an added benefit for me for this demo, I see its status is disconnected. That's okay. I see its provisioning state is ready for provisioning, which means I actually took it out of a previous cluster and now it's sitting here in the free pool. But for some reason, it shows disconnected. I'm going to show you how to wipe this and get it all ready to use for another ecosystem. So restore the node with that service tag. And I see over here in the orchestrator, there it is again, its status shows disconnected. Not a problem, not concerning for me at all. We're going to fix all of this up. We're going to wipe the node. We're going to completely factory reset it, and we're going to have it available to be re-provisioned. And it's like I said there, this node was used for both some VMware ecosystems and some Red Hat clusters, some ecosystems. So I've been using it around various different locations. But for some reason, it's disconnected. But I wanted to record this to make sure everybody sees how cool this is and easy it is. So I'm going to go to the blueprints page, and I'm going to check the box for the node restore. You see there's actually node restore for both OpenShift and VMware. It really doesn't matter because the node restore does the same thing across all the ecosystems. It just depends on, I have both, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. So there are all my nodes by service tag that I have in all the active status there. And you see the three check boxes there. I'm going to check all three. Ignore the current status of the state of the node, reset the BIOS, and then erase everything, wipe the node, set it back to factory default. So it's simply sitting there at a Pixie boot. That's exactly what I want to do. So it's clean, and I know I can then take it to another ecosystem and redo it. So I populate with the parameters that I want to do. I click deploy, and now let's click into the execution graph here that we've seen on many other demos, and we see what's going on. We're doing some pre-checking, we're connecting to the node, and then all the hardware cleanup begins. I can watch the logging here. I click on one of those green circles there, or the actual circle that's being running right now on that third step, and it will show me the real-time logging of everything that's going on there. Saw some activity against the iDRAC. There it pops up. I'm going to show it just through the console window right now, just so you can see. And this is about a 45-minute flow here to do all of these steps with the multiple reboots, as you would expect. And then I get back here, as I mentioned, to the Pixie boot. The node is now clean and all ready to be re-provisioned to a new ecosystem. That's how easy it is to clean up a node and put it back in your free pool. Now, let's filter on the free pool and take a look at that. It's online and it's ready for provisioning. So I picked it back up. I have it now back in my free pool from disconnected to ready for provisioning. There it is. That's awesome to see. Now it's ready for the next ecosystem deployment. So I can add it to a new or to an existing ecosystem, or I can build an entire new cluster. It's all ready to go anytime I need it. This is how easy it is to manage through the Dell Automation Platform and the Orchestrator. Thank you.